Okurgira Major Joseph Cheropo orikujunaniza byo kucondoza omu kitongore cy'urwanda enjubambe hamwe n'abarukonyigiro mu kushubira ebyenyanja bitahikire ekya Fish Protection Unit yashoboraho kwatoka emotoka ezibiri.
Two impounded trucks that were carrying immature fish. I want to give you the background. These trucks were not the original trucks that were bringing this fish from wherever they had been consolidated. It was one truck that brought this fish, and we had intelligence, and so we were tracking it. But I think they also got a tip-off that we were following it, and we were only waiting to impound it at the right time, at the right place. And so they hid, and they offloaded the truck and loaded into two trucks.
Major Cheropo najarangu na bamwe habakama b'ebyenyanja bakwatwa kandi nibija kutwarwa mu court.
Some of the owners were arrested, and they are currently at police pending court, which is they may appear in court today at midday.
Kuva twakomya wakatale kuva Kongo tukaletwa hano mu Uganda mponto mwara batwa openinga kafande Lieutenant Colonel Maseka yateka amanige naka open kazelu kuvoro tufunanga kwe kintu ekikola ki era tusobola kukiriza nikikola crossing.
They are of the same species. This is Nile perch lotica species. So you are seeing this one here. This is just 6 inches compared to 20 inches. This is 18 inches compared to 20 inches. Just this one is just less by 2 inches to make what required.
Ebyenyanja byaba birumwe by'empute bitarukusya inchi 20 z'urukwikirizibwa. Ebyenyanja byaba birumwe by'empute bitarukusya inchi 20 z'urukwikirizibwa. Hamwe n'ebyenjeje byaba bitarukusya inchi 11 z'urukwikirizibwa. Amakuru gashakwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.